Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Astro Debanita, and today in this video I am going to talk about a new topic in Vedic astrology. So this topic is all about the yogas, various yogas which gets formed in our horoscope as per the planetary positions in Vedic astrology for our higher education, as well as the yogas which gets formed in our horoscope which can obstruct the higher education of any native. So before starting with this video, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below to get more such interesting topics and videos related to Vedic astrology and occult sciences. So everyone, as we know, in everyone's life, people have a lot of desire that after a point of time of education, of completing their education, they like to do further studies or higher studies in their life to get well settled and also get better career prospect and better job, or do any kind of better career in order to grow in life. So for that higher study, to get admitted to that higher studies, one need to have few such planetary combinations in their horoscope which are already written as per the classical texts, and I will also tell you some other combinations which are found through research processes. So what are those combinations? So before beginning with those combination, I would like to also tell you all that in general in Vedic astrology, the second house is all about our primary education. Our primary, we know that we firstly go to the primary school to learn initial for our beginning in education, to learn the initial studies, and also the initially whatever education we learn at our home in our young age, that also gets denoted by the second house in our horoscope. Now the fourth house in our horoscope is all about our studies related to graduation. That is, whenever we enter the college from after passing the school, then that phase of life, that educational phase of life is denoted by the fourth house. Further, the ninth house in our horoscope is actually denoted by actually indicates our higher studies. So higher studies like MTech, MPhil or PhD is denoted by the ninth house in anyone's horoscope. Further, if we see the fifth house in anyone's horoscope, it denotes the overall mental inclination of any person, like the intelligence of that person, and overall educational status is also denoted by the fifth house in the horoscope. Now I will tell you certain planetary combinations, and before going to that, I will also tell you the planets which are responsible for our higher studies. So the first planet which is responsible, that is Mercury. So as we know that Mercury is the planet of our intelligence, so it is highly responsible for higher studies. Further, Jupiter denotes our knowledge and wisdom. So it is also very important while seeing higher studies in any horoscope. Moreover, Venus indicates arts, entertainment and also craft. So if someone is going to pursue higher studies related to the arts field or entertainment related higher studies, then that person should also have a strong Venus in the horoscope. And last but not the least, Ketu is also very important for higher studies because it is a highly analytical planet in a horoscope. To get success in higher studies, the following yogas or combinations should be present in the horoscope. So what are those yogas or combinations? So firstly, as we know, the Lagna or the ascendant, which denotes our self or physical self. So to get success in any field in life, we need to have a strong health and we should be free from all kind of obstructions in life. So our overall health and well-being is denoted by our lagna. So that lagna or the lagna lord in a horoscope should be strong enough, and the lord should be direct in nature, and also should not be in the dustan houses like 6, 8 or 12th house. Secondly, if the 4th, 5th, 6th and the 9th house are strong in anyone's horoscope, then it is quite favorable for that person to crack competitive exams related to higher studies and enter in a very good institution. Thirdly, a strong Jupiter or Mercury should be present in the 9th house. This can also create a good yoga for higher studies. Fourthly, if there are exchange between the 9th, 5th and the 1st lord, then also probability of higher studies is very much there in one's horoscope. Moreover, if Ketu is connected to the 9th house, it could give unconventional mode of studies, means your higher studies could be in unconventional mode, means in some different kind of way you could pursue your higher studies if Ketu is placed in the 9th house. And to see in your horoscope that all these yogas are means will get fulfilled or not, you also need to check the Navamsha chart or the D9 horoscope in your Kundali. Now, what are the yogas which causes obstructions in higher studies? I will tell you. So, firstly, if the ninth house, since the 9th house is related to our higher studies, then if the 9th lord somehow gets placed in the 8th house of your horoscope, then it may create a major obstruction in your higher studies. Secondly, if the 9th lord is malefic or becoming a Dustan lord in your horoscope, like the lord of houses 6, 8 or 12, and it is debilitated or retrograde in nature, then there will be obstructions in higher studies. Thirdly, delay or obstructions can be there. Thirdly, if the ascendant lord is weak or conjunct with any Dustan lord or placed in the 6, 8 and 12th house, then also there can be a lot of trouble in higher studies. Since I have told you that the ascendant is all about our health and self and also our well-being. Now next, if the lord if Mercury or Jupiter is negative or weak in the horoscope, then there can be an obstruction in your higher studies as well. And lastly, if Jupiter and Rahu are somehow placed in the 12th house of a horoscope, then there can be missing of educational opportunity after a point of time. Like if you apply for higher studies, then you could miss some kind of opportunity if this kind of combination is there in your horoscope. So before coming to a conclusion, a holistic analysis of the horoscope is very much needed. So that you should get checked your horoscope by a good astrologer, so that you could know that what are the timing running in your horoscope, and you could decide your life as per your horoscope and related to your well-being. So for that, if you want to get checked your horoscope by me, you could either WhatsApp me in the number which is displayed over the screen, or you could go in the description section of my profile, YouTube profile. There also you could contact me in my business WhatsApp. So I came to an end with the video related to yogas for education, higher education in horoscope, and also obstruction yogas related to that. I will again come with a new video in Vedic astrology or occult science. Till that time, thank you. Namaste.